What's up, online shoppers? I have the ultimate hack for packing and travel, and it is these Blissford packing cubes. Now, these aren't just little things you zip your clothes into. These are actually compression packing cubes, and the way they work is they have a zipper that goes all the way around the outside. So there's actually two zippers on this. The first one at the top here is the zipper that goes over 3/4 of the way, almost the entire way around the perimeter of the bag, and that's your opening. You zip that back, you put your clothes in, you zip it back up again, but then the magic happens with this zipper right here on the outside. This is the compression zipper. The zipper goes all the way around the entire bag and back, meeting itself. And when you do that, what you do is you compress all the materials in the bag. Now look at how much wider that package is now. It was compressed and now it's not. This makes packing in your suitcase so much easier because it actually makes your clothes take up less space, and that is truly awesome. This can save you over half the space in your suitcase when you use compression packing cubes. And I know from experience because I have packed with these and they are awesome. I can't believe how much stuff I can actually pack in my luggage when I use compression cubes over when I just put stuff in and leave it. Initially, I purchased packing cubes to pack luggage for a tropical vacation where we were going to be gone for over a week. And it was really great because it allowed me to get a lot of stuff into the suitcase. However, when I came back, I loved the experience of the packing cubes so much that even when I go on short little 1 or 2 day trips, I put my stuff in the packing cubes because it keeps it organized. Not only is it space saving, but it's organizational as well. Now these are lightweight and durable. They are made of a really sturdy ripstop canvas, and they have really nice high quality zippers with these fantastic little pulls on each of the zippers. As well, there's a great little sturdy, well sewn canvas handle for carrying everything. And I love how great this set is. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces with this, and you have a variety of different sizes. Now this one here is their small size. This one here is their extra small size. They have a medium, a large, an extra large, and they also have a little cinch bag for your shoes. Now I said quality construction, so let's take a look at how much quality. The zippers, super durable. But what I love is how well put together the seams are. Now a compression packing cube is going to take some stress because it's compressing all of the contents of the bag. So you want to know that your seams are well stitched. Well, all of these seams, if we turn the bag inside out, you can see how well seamed the bag is. There is a protective tubing that goes over top of all the seams to extra reinforce all the seams because of the pressure that they are going to be under when you put all your clothes in here and compress them. Now you can use this for lots of different things. If you're packing for your family in one suitcase, you could definitely color code for each of your family members and everybody gets a different color. You could use some for formal, some for dress, some for shirt. Now, if you want to know the dimensions of the different bags, this one here I showed you is the small. It is 11 by 6 3/4 inches. This is the extra small and it's 12 by 5. This one here is the medium and it is 13.5 by 10. Here is the extra large and it is 17 by 12. And here's your large. And this one here, 13.5 by 12.5. If you were looking for an awesome way to pack for travel or as an organizational hack, I actually use them when I'm packing my off-season clothes, like I put tank tops in one, shorts in another, zip them all up, and they fit in a smaller container that I can just scoot under my tub. These Blissford packing cubes are awesome for anything like that. And if you are looking, they are definitely a family favorite at my house.